In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to make a 2D part program using our NexT CNC controller. First thing I go to is to go to Programs. Here I see a list of my programs, and also I can create a new program by clicking the New button. Here I can enter my program name, and also I can choose whether I want to do a 2D, 3D or a list program. Here I will go with a 2D program. When I click OK, NexT will put my new program in the program list. Here I can see the basic information about my part program and also the date it is created. And I can also change the default values to what I want to do. Next step would be to go to the editor to create my part program. Here I will start by typing in the length and the angles of the part I would like to create. As you enter the length and the angles, NexT will draw the part on the screen. Once I'm done, I can click on the Calculate Development button, and NexT will show me the blank length for the piece of sheet metal that I need. Now I'm ready to go into simulation module, where I will see my punch die, my back gauge finger, and the part I'm bending. Here when I click on search button, I can set some search criteria, whether turning of the part or tilting of the part would be important or not, while NexT calculates the bending sequence. Now when I click on search and execute, NexT will find the optimum bending sequence and will say the step generation is completed. Here I can review how NexT created the part program and the steps associated with it. When I click on generate, NexT will generate the steps needed and the machine will be ready to execute the part programmed. Then I click on the menu and the automatic button. My machine is ready to produce the part that I have created.